Did you know that some people have turned just a few dollars into millions by investing in cryptocurrency? But wait, before you think this is some get-rich-quick scheme, let me tell you a harsh reality. More than 90% of crypto investors lose money because they don't know the right strategies. The crypto market is not just about buying and selling, it's a game of patience, knowledge, and smart decisions. If you're making the wrong moves, you could be losing money without even realizing it. But what if I told you there are proven methods to earn from crypto without taking huge risks? In today's video, I'm going to reveal these powerful crypto money-making strategies that even big investors use. And by the end of this video, I'll ask you an important question, one that will test your understanding of crypto. So stay tuned and be ready to comment your answer. Let's get started. The most common and safest way to earn from cryptocurrency is called HODLing. Now, you might be wondering, what does HODL mean? It stands for Hold On for Dear Life, which is a fancy way of saying, buy and keep your crypto for the long term. But here's the reality, not all cryptocurrencies will make you rich. Some coins skyrocket in value, while others crash and disappear. So, how do you know which ones to invest in? The safest approach is to focus on well-established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These have been around for years, survived multiple crashes, and still hold strong positions in the market. Imagine if you had bought Bitcoin in 2015 when it was just a few $100s. Today, it's worth thousands. But before you rush into investing, remember this, timing is everything. Buying at the wrong time can lead to losses. The best strategy is to invest when prices are low and hold for years. Another way to make money with crypto is through staking and earning passive income. This is something most beginners overlook, but it's one of the easiest ways to make money without doing anything. Staking is like keeping your money in a fixed deposit. You lock your crypto in a blockchain network, and in return, you earn rewards, just like earning interest in a bank. But here's what many people don't realize. Staking rewards can be as high as 10% or even more, depending on the crypto you choose. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Popular coins like Cardano, ADA, Solana, Sol, and Polkadot offer good staking rewards. But be careful, not all staking platforms are safe. Some offer high returns but can suddenly disappear, leaving you with nothing. Always do proper research before staking your crypto. If you're someone who enjoys quick profits, then crypto trading might interest you. But let me warn you, this is not for everyone. Most people lose money in crypto trading because they jump in without understanding the risks. Crypto prices move wildly, sometimes changing by 20% or more in a single day. If you don't know what you're doing, you can lose all your money in minutes. However, expert traders know how to take advantage of these price swings to make consistent profits. They use strategies like day trading and swing trading, where they buy when the price is low and sell when it's high, sometimes within hours. But the real secret is knowing when to enter and exit a trade. If you guess wrong, you can lose big. That's why professional traders use technical analysis, which helps them predict price movements based on past trends. If you ever see traders looking at weird charts and lines, that's what they're doing, analyzing the market to find the best entry points. Another exciting way to earn from crypto is through NFTs in the Metaverse. You might have heard stories of people selling digital art as NFTs for millions of dollars. But here's the truth, not every NFT will make you rich. The key is knowing which ones have real value. Some NFTs are just hype, while others have strong communities and long-term value. The Metaverse is also creating new opportunities. People are buying virtual land, opening digital businesses, and even working jobs in virtual worlds. Companies are investing billions into this space, and those who get in early could make life-changing money. But remember, with high rewards come high risks. Not every NFT or Metaverse project will succeed. The best approach is to do your research, invest carefully, and never put all your money into one project. Now, let me ask you something. Do you think cryptocurrency will replace traditional money in the future? Some experts believe it will, while others say it's just a bubble. What's your opinion? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's see who has the best prediction. Finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us create more valuable content for you. And if you want to learn more about making money, investing, and financial growth, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.